Ready to go home?
Yes.
How was that trip, Josh?
The trip was amazing. Had a good time, learned a lot of adventure. Yeah, well worth all the trouble to get to Portugal.
Did you like the trip?
I loved the trip, Cedric. The trip was amazing.
And compared to other trips that you've taken, how would you rate this trip?
It was a good trip, Cedric.
Alright, so it's been quite the trip. We just said bye to our friend. The last week of these 4 weeks was a vacation, which was great, but now we're also ready to get back to work, head back home and be productive again. Lots of strollers. I wonder if a few months from now that's going to be us worrying about all this luggage. So we just boarded. It's interesting that they've upgraded the plane from an Airbus 220 to an A321 since we booked, and they just told us that it's a full flight as well, meaning that travel, at least between Switzerland and Portugal, seems to be picking up again. So we've just arrived home. It's a warm day here. Also, we had to kind of run once we get off the plane to catch our train. So I didn't spend too much time looking at how busy the airport was this time. For the most part, the experience was pretty similar to our flight from Zurich to Porto. Now we're home, but we have friends staying with us. Every time when Elena and I travel for a longer period of time, we usually ask friends that live abroad if they want to come to Switzerland, use our place while we're gone. And then the cool thing is we also get to see them. So Connor and his family, they live in London. They're gonna be with us for another couple days, and so we're looking forward to catch up with them and hear what kind of adventures they've gotten into while they were in Switzerland. It's also time for me to get back to work now after taking a full week off. Can't wait to dive into work, get stuff done, be productive. And then tonight we're probably gonna have a nice dinner with Connor, his wife and his son. That's it. Be safe, stay curious, have a beautiful day, and I will talk to you soon.
Hey, if you like this video and you would like to do me a huge favor, then please smash that like button and subscribe. That's great for the YouTube algorithm and more people will see it. It will also make sure you will get to see all the upcoming videos on essentialism and entrepreneurship. And if there's a question or topic you would like me to cover, please let me know in the comments.